Hello students, today I shall solve question number 6, exercise 8.1, class 10, that is trigonometry. Okay, question is given, if A and B are acute angles such that cos A equals to cos B, then show that angle A is equal to angle B. So first of all, we shall draw a right angle triangle. This is right angle triangle. In question it is given, angle A and angle B are acute angle. So acute angle, this is A, another acute angle B is here. So ultimately third angle C will be right angle. Okay. In question it is given angle A and B are acute angles. Acute angles we know that is angle which is less than 90 degree. So A and B are acute angle. It will be naturally less than 90 degree, and third angle C will be right angle, and opposite to right angle side is called hypotenuse. You know, everyone is knowing who is reading in class 10. Okay, and it is given sine is equal to, this also you should know, sine equal to P by H, cos is equal to B by H, and tan is equal to P by B. This is basic formula, right? Now ABC triangle A triangle ABC drawn in which angle A and angle B are acute angles and angle C is right angle. Okay. So for angle for angle A, we know that if the angle will change, the name of perpendicular and base of the triangle will also change. So for angle A, perpendicular will be BC. Why? It is opposite to angle A. Opposite side of angle A, right? Perpendicular base will be AC. Why? Adjacent side of angle A, adjacent side, and hypotenuse will be side opposite to right angle. So it will be AB, side opposite to right angle. Okay. So for angle A, it is given cos A. So means cos is measured in respect of angle A. So cos A will be, what will be cos? B by H. B by H, base by hypotenuse. Here base is AC given, we have drawn AC, and hypotenuse will be AB. Right? We keep at equation number 1. For angle B, so why we have taken for angle B? Because cos B is given in respect of angle B. So for angle B, perpendicular will be, for angle B, perpendicular will be AC. Why? Opposite side of angle B. Opposite side of angle B. Base will be, for B, CB. Adjacent side of angle B. Hypotenuse will be same, AB. opposite to right angle, right? So now cos B equal to B by H, again base by hypotenuse. For angle B, base will be, for angle B, base will be CB, here hypotenuse will be AB. This is 2. In question it is given cos A equal to cos B. Given, put the value of cos A. Cos A is equal to AC by AB, right? Equal to cos B equal to, by second equation, CB by AB, right? By removing equal denominator AB both side. As both side denominator is AB equal, so for equation you can remove it. It will be AC equal to CB. As AC will be equal to CB, now AC is equal to CB. So angle A equal to angle B. Why? Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. This is already proved theorem. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So if AC is equal to CB, angle A is equal to angle B. You can see here in right angle triangle, it is a right angle, isosceles right angle triangle. Isosceles means both sides are equal. In isosceles triangle, the angle on base are also equal. This is also given. This is established formula. So AC and BC are equal. So the angles opposite of them will be also equal. So A equal to B. Okay. If you like, you can like and subscribe my channel. Thanks.